Guys, what we got here today is a 2015 Polaris Assault 800. It is the anniversary edition. Sweet looking machine. Today we're going to do a chain case oil change, simple job. If you got your tools ready, it's probably about a 10 to 15 minute job. I'm going to show you how to do it. What's required to do this job? Hex set. We're using the 6mm today. This is a 3/8 drive. I'm using Ratchet extension, and there's a 6mm. Fully synthetic ChainCase lubricant, and the fill port is right down where your right foot is, and it is right there. So we're going to take that loose, and the drain. You want a drain pan? The drain is right below the chain case, and it is right there, the same size 6mm hex. So we're gonna get those out and we'll be right back. Okay. One handy tool that I use a lot if something gets a little over torqued, been sitting for too long. Impact. It does two things, really. You're gonna shock it by hitting that with a hammer. When you hit it with a hammer, kind of turn it to the left just a little bit, put a little pressure to the left. Anyway, it shocks that bolt, and it also puts a little twist on it. And as you're hammering it in, obviously it's going to have less chance to strip out. So if anything ever feels tight, that's usually the first tool I go to before I strip something out. Thing I forgot to mention, just clean that, make sure that area is free from any debris before you take the fill plug out. We're draining down here, and the fill plug and the drain plug are exactly the same. They both have a magnetic to pick up any, be your first sign that something's starting to come apart in your chain case. These both had no metal shavings on them. So I wiped them off good, and now we're gonna get a funnel that fits there, and 9 ounces is its maximum. Usually you fill it up till it starts to overflow there. Of course, you're gonna put your drain plug in before you do that. Funnel, it's kind of a weird application here. These funnels are cheap. You can probably have I probably have 6 different sizes of these. They kind of store inside of each other. One important thing, how you're going to keep them clean, that's up to you, but obviously you want a clean funnel. I think this one's probably going to be the best. Got an angle on there, and that should be good. Up here would probably work too. That might be better. So we're gonna probably end up putting maybe 8 ounces in here, but basically till it overfills, somewhere around 9 ounces is full capacity on the 2015 800. And that's all there is to it. Your machine's gonna be happy with some fresh oil. By the way, the torque on the service manual on both the drain and the fill plug are 6 to 10 foot-pounds, but the majority of the stuff that gets torqued down, you snug it up till it stops, and then just a little bit more. I've always stuck to that. Works pretty darn good. Thanks for watching, and get ready for summer.